Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Microsoft Edge is not working. So guys, first click to start, type run, open it. In the run, type ws reset .exe, then hit enter. It will open proper, and then close it. Then next method, click to start, type PowerShell, right click to run as administrator, then click yes. Then enter this command and hit. Okay, this command I will give you in this video in descriptions. Okay, and then close it. Next method, clean Microsoft Edge user data. So click to start, type run, and enter this address. Okay, percentage temp app data percentage slash Microsoft Edge slash user, and then click to OK. After that, find out this default. Okay, so right click to delete it, and then close. Last and final and very important method, repair Windows file which is corrupted. So click to start, type cmd, open it. No, need to run as a need to administrator access. So click to start again, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Click yes. Then type sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. After that, it will start the percentage and it will complete 100%. That means your corrupted file is 100% restored. So wait few seconds, it will take 3 to 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, and it will complete. And after that, restart your system and then check your browser it's working or not. Okay, this is Microsoft Edge. Okay guys, thank you.